Have you ever experienced this financial paradox? Your income goes up, you get a raise, but somehow, you still feel like you have no more money left at the end of the month. This isn't magic, it's a subtle, dangerous trap called lifestyle creep. Want to uncover how this silent killer sabotages your wealth, protect your hard-earned income, and understand how engaging with our channel can lead to amazing future cash giveaways? Stick around. This video is your essential guide to recognizing and combating lifestyle creep. I'll also share how you can be ready for our upcoming prizes. Stay with us till the end of this video. Let's start by unmasking lifestyle creep, what it is, and why this insidious financial phenomenon happens to almost everyone. Imagine you start a new job, or get a fantastic raise. Naturally, you feel great. You think, finally, I have some extra money. But then, almost unconsciously, your spending habits start to creep up to match your new income. That morning coffee becomes a daily ritual instead of a treat. You upgrade your phone because you can afford it. Your dining out frequency increases. You move to a slightly nicer apartment, buy a slightly more expensive car. None of these individual decisions feel wrong, but collectively, they consume your new income, leaving you right back where you started, living paycheck to paycheck, just at a higher income level. This isn't just about overspending, it's a psychological trap rooted in our desire for comfort status, and the natural human tendency to adapt rapidly to new circumstances. We adapt to the new normal of higher income, and our wants quickly become needs. It's a silent killer because you rarely notice it until it's too late, and your increased earnings vanish without a trace. Now that we know what lifestyle creep is, how do you spot its subtle, sneaky signs in your own daily life? This isn't always obvious. It's often a gradual shift that makes it so dangerous. Pay close attention to these indicators. First, the just because purchase. You buy something simply because you can afford it now, not because you genuinely need it or that it adds significant value to your life. For example, upgrading your streaming plan from basic to premium just because your income increased. Second, the unnoticed upgrade. You find yourself routinely choosing the more expensive option without conscious thought. Premium groceries over generics, a taxi instead of public transport, or a fancier restaurant without special occasion. Third, the disappearing extra money. You get a raise, but your savings rate doesn't increase proportionally. That extra money seems to vanish into thin air, leaving your bank account balance similar to before the raise. Fourth, peer pressure, social comparison. You start comparing your lifestyle to friends or colleagues with higher incomes, feeling compelled to keep up with their spending habits even if it stretches your own budget. This is a powerful psychological driver of creep. Fifth, the constant need for more. Despite earning more, you still feel a persistent feeling of not having enough or needing more money to be truly comfortable. This is a classic sign that your expenses have crept up to meet your income. Recognizing these subtle shifts is the first critical step to fighting back against lifestyle creep and ensuring your money truly serves your long-term goals. Let's quantify the damage. Lifestyle creep isn't just annoying, it's a silent, powerful killer of your wealth-building potential and true financial freedom. Imagine you get a raise of 500 units of currency per month. If you allow lifestyle creep to consume that entire 500, what happens? First, lost savings potential. That 500 units could have been invested, compounding exponentially over years to become tens or even hundreds of thousands of units. Instead, it's gone. Second, delayed financial independence. You remain on the financial treadmill. No matter how high your salary goes, if your expenses keep pace, you never build the surplus needed for investments, passive income, or early retirement. You're constantly working just to maintain your current lifestyle. Third, increased vulnerability. Without a growing financial buffer, you remain vulnerable to unexpected emergencies. A job loss, a medical crisis, or a major unexpected expense can quickly send you into debt, even with a high income, because your elevated lifestyle leaves no room for error. Fourth, missed opportunities. The money consumed by lifestyle creep could have been used to start a side business, pay off high-interest debt faster, or gain valuable skills. These missed opportunities represent a significant long-term cost. Lifestyle creep traps you in a cycle where more income only means more spending, never more wealth. It makes you feel like you're rich on paper but poor in reality. So, How do we conquer this silent killer and ensure every raise and extra unit of currency truly builds your wealth? It's about proactive strategies and intentional choices. Number 1. Automate your raises. This is the most powerful hack. When you get a raise, immediately automate a significant portion, assume 50 to 80% of that extra income directly into your savings or investment accounts before it even hits your main checking account. You won't even miss it. The rest can be used for a small lifestyle upgrade. Number 2. Define your why. Regularly remind yourself of your big financial goals: early retirement, buying a home, starting a business. Connect every spending decision back to your why. Does this purchase align with my ultimate freedom, or is it just lifestyle creep? Number 3. The new item rule. For every new want you acquire, consider letting go of an older, equivalent item or delaying the purchase for a month to see if you truly need it. This forces conscious consumption. Number 4. Practice budgeting up. Instead of constantly cutting, challenge yourself to increase your savings rate every time your income rises. This flips the script from managing scarcity to managing abundance strategically. Number 5. Regular money dates. Schedule regular check-ins with your budget, as we discussed in our budgeting video. This forces you to see where your money is going and identify any creeping expenses before they get out of control. By implementing these powerful strategies, you transform from a passive victim of lifestyle creep to an active architect of your wealth. You ensure that every increase in income translates directly into increased financial freedom and security, not just a more expensive treadmill. It's time for giveaways and explosive growth. Amazing audience! To claim your spot as a potential winner, you need to comment on this video instantly. What's the precise learning you genuinely gained from our video? We need to know. This is your chance to prove you were here, that you genuinely absorbed it. And be warned, we meticulously check all winning comments for authentic insight. If your entry looks made up or unreal, you won't receive the reward. For all crucial giveaway rules, eligibility, how we choose winners, simply click the dedicated video link in the description. Our core mission is clear: unmatched finance knowledge, powerful support, and verified opportunities to transform your wealth. Stay smart, dive deep, and join us. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.